I'm Frumpy.
And I'm BoBo.
And I'm Leanie Beanie.
I'm Paparazzi.
I'm Geritol.
And we're here courtesy of ClownAntics.com. We hope you enjoy our skit, Candy Store.
Hi, I'm BoBo, and I'm opening up a brand new candy store, and I need 2 volunteer clowns.
Oh,
There they are. Come on out here. Come on out
Right
here.
here,
All right,
right
come on.
here.
Come on over here. Hold this. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that, and don't drop it. What's the matter with you? Hold that thing. I told you to hold that. Hold that. Okay. The candy store is now open.
Hi, Bobo. Nice candy store.
Hiya, Leanie Beanie.
Do you have any luscious lemon lime lollipops?
Luscious lemon lime lollipop. There was a problem. There was a flood all over the country. The trucks will be late. They'll be in tomorrow.
Okay, can I just look around?
Sure, look around. Oh, let me. Good.
Hi, Mr. Bobo. Nice
Hey.
store.
Hey, paparazzi.
Do you have any chocolate-covered grasshoppers?
Chocolate covered grasshoppers.
Yeah. They're my favorite.
They're out of season.
They're out of season.
They're out of season, not the.
Oh,
No, no.
God. My favorite. Where am I going to go now?
Hey, Bobo, a candy store.
Oh,
Would you have my favorite Peppy Peppermint Pops?
Peppy Peppermint Pops. Peppermint Pops. No,
No.
no.
No Peppy Peppermint
No.
Pops. No Peppy Peppermint
No.
Pops. No Peppy Peppermint Pops.
Bobo,
Yes.
you don't have any peppy peppermint pops.
No.
And you don't have any chocolate-covered grasshoppers. And you don't have any luscious lime lemon lollipops. What do you have?
What do I have? I'll tell you what I have. I got 1, 2 suckers on a stick.
Hi, we're from Call Us Clowns. We hope you enjoyed our skit. Please share it with all your friends.